Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to download any image from Safari. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the search bar and search for Avengers. Once the search results appear, tap on Images to view image results. Scroll through and select an Avengers image you want to download. Tap on the image to open it in full view. Now, press and hold on the image until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on Save to Photos. The image will be saved to your Photos app. Now, exit Safari and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Recent Photos section and you'll see the Avengers image you just downloaded. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Safari to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.